Hey everyone, we're going to go ahead and get started with part 3 in the PixInsight Preprocessing tutorials. This part 3 focuses on registering and alignment of subframes. They call it star alignment, and this is when we basically, this process is called registration, okay? And this is the step that aligns all your data. So say like you were doing M42 and you got 3 hours of data on Tuesday night, and then the Wednesday night you go out and you get 2 more hours. Thursday night you go out and you get another 2 to 3 hours of data collected on M42. So this step here aligns all your subframes from all the data you collected on all those individual nights. It makes sure it uses the reference file to line up everything, and then it registers the file. And we put all of these registered or star aligned files in a registration folder, and that would be the next folder we're going to make. So this is where the reference file becomes real important, okay? Because again, the alignment process uses that reference file as a reference to align, and it aligns all the stars up based on what's in the reference file. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, you're going to be pulling from the accepted file. Remember, these were the files. These were the files here. These are the 54 300-second subs on the Crescent Nebula that I got a couple nights ago. And as you can see down here is the reference file that, we determined because we went through the subframe selector or the measurement process of the subframe. So let's go ahead and get started with this step. So in this step, you're going to go process, all processes, and then you're going to go to star alignment, which is this process right here. Remember, all these things are processes. Okay, so what do you load right here? The reference file. Okay, so you change this to file. Okay, and then you do a search, and you go to your accept folder, and you go down to your reference file, and you select that, and there is your file. Okay, so let's see what we do next. Okay, we're going to go through and we're going to make sure that all our settings are the way they need to be. Okay, so if we look in here, all this stays the way it is. You want to make sure generate drizzle data is selected, okay, and that this working mode is register/match images. You want to make sure that that's there, and then registration model should be projective transformation. Okay, everything else should be unchecked. Then what we do is we load in our files. Okay, and where are we going? Again, we're going to the accepted folder. Okay, and we're going to select all these by Control-ing, and it loads it right in here under target images. Okay, so again, generate drizzle data is very important that that's selected. Okay, and now we go to the output directory. And you can see we're in the accepted folder here. We want to create a new folder, and we want to call it REG for registration. Okay, go ahead and hit enter there. Select that folder, and then as you can see here, you have, look what we have. We have debayered, accepted, and registered files. So okay, right in here, this postfix will be R, mask will be M, and the DMAP will be DM. Okay, and that's what you should be looking at right there. Okay, so RM DMAP should be DM, and then after that you're going to hit apply global, and it'll go through the process of aligning all your accepted subframes.